Everybody, hold on tight. Fun time is the happy hour. As we take you on this journey, fun time is the happy hour. It's never been easy. Meet your favorite celebrity. Everybody, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. Chop no cool with Crystal. Original Thunder Show. Yeah, mama, papa, make you hear it they go. Brother, sister, make you see how they go. Comedian for your favorite show. Footballer for your favorite show. Musician for your favorite show. Oh yeah, sit down, make you jolly, make you hear how they go. Chop no cool with Crystal. Make you sit down, make you hear how they go. No, no.
Akpos. I beg borrow me your account number, give one of my customer.
Sure. Your own Go Village?
I get before. I'm not ready for bank and the paper wahala.
You never hear of FCMB easy account? Where your phone number without the first zero on your account number. And you fit open a no. To send or to receive money sharp.
Yes, so you sef fit open the new FCMB easy account instanta with the last 10 digits of your phone number as your account number. Just dial *329# to begin.
Oh, Bob, let me say who get phone number, don't get account number, be that too.
FCMB, my bank and I.
Yes, my name is Chris Inhiwa, and I see the word chop knuckle with Chriso. This week episode, we'll get one person when he say, he no normal. You could say normal, but he no normal. The only clue when I will give him, I will say, in like, maybe the offspring of Alibaba. If you don't get that clue, more you're living like that. Yes, we see there for our studio when Live Mate help us arrange. Just come here for we will see different furniture, and they look one with the screw to see. Thank you, see, then give us these premises for use. If you look on top table again, you will see what they want them. Yes, this one, Brown's Burger and Grills. Babolaji, I greet you. All the people, thank you very much for this one. Yes, all the people when the business they support, they help us. Guys, CMB, different people, they say thumbs up. They greet all of you now. This now chop knuckle with Chriso. Make we do now who he be. When we show. But I'm going to say, the person that talk, is no normal. This week on, you go to Pokpo, Okpolonge. When they come back.
Yes, so time don't reach for now we be. For your bonga program where we dey call Chop Knuckle with Chriso. My name, na Lucy. Come, make we go know who we be. My brother, what is your name?
My name is Urusola Lawrence.
My name is Sam Popo.
I like her. I enjoy her comedy very well. I like her.
Now one of those guys, in fact, the guy they represent federal government live.
Hey.
I go like make I even see him one-on-one, we could talk one-on-one because now my guy.
Once you watch that comedy, guy, you go just dey laugh.
Oh yeah, Chop Knuckle. Chopper, man, no loss.
Correct.
Yes, my people. One of my friends went no normal. He say the person when say your water no go boil. In water too, it no go hot. That's what it be. Everybody call him Paris Pasu. We don't come back. They want to say who be this person when they say it relate to Alibaba or say relate to Basoj or say relate to OK Bakassi or Basketmat or Bucci. So my brother, look camera. Tell her your name, then we could chop knuckle after that one.
All right, my name is Irui Okemuti Don, aka The Don. I'm a comedian, stand-up comedian, actor, radio personality, and I'm also into GH, that is General Hustle.
Chop knuckle, my guy, chop knuckle. You boy, which levels now? Hey, no, chop knuckle, chop. You won't break my phalanges.
Now you're all strong.
No, for weird. No,
I be a jebot, I will talk back.
The same level we did. Those days, things arranged on now. They give us those days. Now we need hustle.
I'm telling you.
They arrange for ourselves. Okay, how did Don take come out? Which part of your name be the Don?
Don is my real name.
For where? Yeah. As in Donald?
No. Don is a name. You're like Don Williams.
Okay.
His name is Don. His surname is Williams. Don is actually a Spanish title.
Hey!
In Spain, if you are very learned and responsible, you are given that title, Don.
You are highly responsible and highly learned.
I'm telling you.
Yes. The responsibility own feel the questionable, but the learned own, I know that one.
If not book, I think don't know.
Baba, you know fits, you know possible
But
say you
if
go
na hustle
university.
sense. Oh Jesus.
General hustle.
I suppose get PhD on GH.
General hustle.
Yeah, general hustle.
Now what? So the Don, that's what the name take come out.
Yeah.
So where did D come tissue?
Good. I came to Lagos in 1999. So 2000, I come begin watch TV. Between 99 and 2000, I not get chance. I not fit touch TV.
You tell me.
Yeah, I dey
You
stay-
never reach your level.
No, I dey stay with my sister and her husband.
Okay.
Her husband na this meticulous person. I must not touch the TV.
Anywhere when they put table, na them table there.
Now the camera will say if you come from work, you go touch the TV.
It would I hot.
No, what thing make TV important that year?
Na say na status thing. You come
Okay, so
person
you
house, you
get
get TV. You know those TV when they get cabinet.
Yeah.
If you don't get that, you get that. If you don't get that one, don't get that soon.
Yeah.
Nissan, you don't dare, you don't cross.
2000, he now had a contract. He was going in and out of Lagos. So I got the opportunity to on the TV when he traveled. So the first time on the TV, it was Monday, 5 p.m.
You remember?
I remember. So when I got on and I put on for NTA, I come begin see DTD for Lekki Beach.
Okay.
Dance show. But before the dance show, comedians will come perform. I can see Ultimate Malam, now Mr. Patrick. I see Ali Baba perform. I see Mandy, the comedian.
Okay.
Mandy, now they host the show. I said, this is what these guys they do. So they do it back home.
Well, for village level.
Yeah,
so that the corporate one.
Yeah, so I asked some guys in the neighborhood. Then I was in Idimu. I said, guy, I mean, they record this show. They told me it at Lekki Beach. I reached there. I said, I want to perform. Now the guy asked me to my name. I said, my name is Nairuwe Okemute Don.
Yeah, it's too far. It's too long.
The guy said,
it's too
"Excuse
plenty.
me, what is your stage name?" I said, call me by my real name. The guy said, no, our MC go come. We
call
told
the
him many
giver-
so I said, ladies and gentlemen, coming on stage now. Let's welcome Iruwe. Okay, no. You
Too
can't
much.
walk.
But make I call that Iruwe
Okemute.
Okemute.
Yes.
Don.
Okemute means there's time for everything.
Yes, okay. Iruwe Okemute. Don.
Don, yes.
Okay, IOD.
So the guy said, no, that name cannot work. I cannot perform. I said, okay. Call me Don.
Make it for no loss.
But the Don, when I tell him, they call me, not sweet for my ear. I was so desperate to perform.
You must
that day.
perform,
I said, I must perform. Name not go design.
No, ye for where?
Somehow the French definite article that came to my head. D.E. The
Yeah,
Don.
the
I said,
Don.
okay. Call me the Don. He said, hey, better.
No, you learn. No, you learn. So from that time till now, now you
that
take the
just-
chop.
yeah.
I know say you big stand-up comedian. What do you read for LASU and why you no practice what do you read?
Funny enough, what I do for diploma, I really wanted to practice it. You understand me? But for me to practice
Okay.
I needed to go do.
You need to go higher.
I need to leave Nigeria,
Eh?
go South Africa,
Okay.
go continue
The
the
program.
course. You understand me? Before I fit begin, before United Nations, go fit.
Call you to me, call you arrange
but-
yourself. Now peacekeeping you.
Oh,
be that
no, I did international refugee studies.
Okay. Okay.
And as at that time, United Nations have a kind of exam. If you study the course,
Okay.
you do the exam.
Okay.
If you pass,
Okay.
you get a grade where you go get.
Okay.
We'll give you scholarship
Okay.
to
Okay.
go study either for France or
Okay.
South Africa. Unfortunately, only the diploma in Nigeria.
Okay.
But if you go do the course for outside Nigeria, let's say South Africa or France, on automatic employment for you for United Nations.
But make I tell you one thing. No say the level one you did now.
Yeah.
Even if you go France, South Africa combined, level one therefore put you, and level one you did now, your level now pure pass down.
I have that far.
You get the gist,
Yeah,
eh?
so as it not work, I can't say, okay, man, they do the comedy. I can't do direct entry.
You ain't can still call, they see if you call you now, say me call you this. They will pay you pass refugee people.
No, I can't go do, I did direct entry
Okay.
to do economics.
Okay.
So after the diploma in international refugee studies,
Okay.
and I did
Economics.
BSc
Economics. Full time. But
yeah.
wow. You did tell me
We
say
had
I
to go class that time, because that time I show here and there. Because then, I was like the young hot boy.
You don't change.
We were very few. I think I was the only one when Basket Mouth, Alibaba, Basoj, they fit, they easily.
They arrange with.
They did not, every weekend they must knock me show. Hey, Don, I go do this one. Basket Mouth say, okay, don't follow me. He will start the wedding. He go run, leave me. Go another one.
Okay, what they call on-air personality, OAP. Most people when they watch you now probably even know your face because they listen to comedy appear about with the Dawn for Rainbow FM. Now they see in face so now in face be this so now in real face be this so
this is my real face.
Real face, don't be fake face so, like Emmanuel talk. So how the radio own take come out?
The only platform where comedian the fit show itself now other comedians show. It's not like brand when if you place advert on TV and on radio.
Yeah.
You as a comedian, for you people to know you need to perform on certain platform like AY Live, like Basketball Show, like Night of 1,000 Lab, and so on before people go feel know you.
Yeah, I was more on with Kenny Black.
And I belong to the school when us be push for such thing. Bros, I like perform for your show.
If you see him, you recognize him.
If you see him, come
invite me.
Perform. But I got to the stage, they say the industry not be like that. It's about loyalty. Who loyal to you now go come on your platform. And I needed my own platform where I fit.
You don't get now. Even your boys they blow now. Your boys they blow now.
We thank God. So that was what gave birth to the radio show. And I also wanted to play because it got to play time. I go small some event. Comedians go come. They go pick some of my materials when I do. Go deliver them for those big platforms. Now by the time I go get on those platforms one day, the audience go say,
we don't hear this joke before now.
Joke. So before I go deliver them, I was okay, let me have a radio show. Yeah, I go first try my material.
Yes.
Your word go hear them. So that when you go talk, they go say, they don't talk about radio.
But you don't go take anybody anything to talk, say, maybe they do comedy show. Yeah. You can say one of my guys, Jude Chukuka, you go say 1, 2, 3. Don't say that Jude Chukuka talk about.
Any comedian when no they give credit, I just see him as a mediocre.
Yeah, you know.
You can't joke, you know, mediocre means you don't know what it goes in. Prepare, imagine. There are some jokes where you would just hear the comedian talk in within 2 minutes. If you don't take them like 4 months.
4 months to put them together. Make arrange the punchline.
Yeah. If people say the first time when you go talk, just nobody laugh. People even laugh. Then you go come, they go. After that, the next time you go come add 1 or 2 things. You go, but before you go make them a full flesh, when you go pick them, begin take and go to
use them in 1 minute.
You
don't take time.
You don't do some work on it.
Okay, my people, when I don't go anywhere, we sit there on top Chop Knuckle with the Dawn. Irwe Okemute, Dawn, IOD. No be IOD, no. No be IOD, no. IOD. Institute of Directors. If you use that word, because he's not director. Oh yeah, when you come. Okay, my people, I sit there on top. No, make I know this selfish. All of us, me, the Dawn, and Una, when they for house, we still there on top, Chop Knuckle with Chriso. My name still be Dawn, and his name still be Chris. We go for share this thing now, not be so. Make I don't go this selfish.
That after you don't take in here.
Oh boy, in here I no be. Come on a serious note, me I know say naturally you know normal because you wait now. Make I land, make you know where they go. Naturally, you know normal, you know, like me too. I know normal. I know sure I will fit climb stage now. I don't care. Even if, you know, Maracanã Stadium for Brazil.
Yeah, the year.
Okay, don't worry. We'll go there one day. No big deal. If you go Brazil, Maracanã Stadium, that's probably the largest stadium in the world for soccer. Even if people full there, then give me one mic. Now that initial, you know, whatever, say they go perform. When you don't start, don't finish.
You don't finish. And to start be a problem.
And you don't need to do it here.
No.
So my question will be, where be some of our brothers and sisters, especially musicians and performers, when they climb stage, or when they won't climb stage, you don't understand?
They'll take something.
Before they will go climb stage.
Some of them, they use and they gain confidence. But I don't think there's any comedian that will do that. Because first of all, as a comedian.
So like you're not going to do them. Because if you ever feel confusing.
You know, so far you go do comedy or you go do stage. You go act.
Yeah.
What you go perform, you never record and come from house.
You don't put out for
your head, you won't come out.
And then that interactive thing with audience.
You need to be on the best frame of mind. If not musician if do them, you go get away. Because the beats, they don't record, they don't do them for speed.
Except in their live.
And even if they perform live, the music, when they come, the beat from the drum, the keyboard, the bass, assistant, Ginjara. But as a comedian or a stage actor, when you say what you want to deliver now from your head, nothing, no environmental influence. My brother, now the audience go look and say you the craze, but inside of you, calculations they go on. You they use adrenaline, you they use the pulse of both yourself and the people they deliver. So as a comedian or an actor who want to do stage play, you need the right frame of mind. If you take any other thing,
Many years back, issue of cult activities, Buccaneers, Axemen, Lords, Mafians. Which one of them you own again? Vikings. Which one of them you own again? Where we see most of our youths, they find themselves, immersed in those kind of activities.
From my own experience, my own opinion.
Experience.
Yes.
I don't ask you say which one you own that time. You know,
Funny enough, when I did secondary school,
now you don't join.
I follow Form Court.
Hey.
When I did SS1.
I suppose they give you space. Man, no they.
But by the time I get into university, I don't see the pain that comes with it. To get this particular student when beat hell out of me, a university student, I let go school. My principal constantly make I stand for the edge of our field. People pass through the field. That particular principal don't like it because they can't create footpaths on the field. So it stop people from moving. Because okay, stay there. Anybody that want to pass, stop them. I go stop beside my principal, say, you know, if you pass here, beg, follow that. This particular university student say, I know if you stop her. He say, no, come on, get out of my way. Next thing, that guy,
he rake you,
push me. With the mind, say my schoolmates
go show.
They go show as nobody show. Now me, I go push the guy. So I want to worry you, they mad. I look the guy, a young guy. It's just that first me enter university. So the guy beat the hell out of me. The thing paid me well. I go meet the guy for a hostel. Go say, okay, mo go say Koran. The guy beat me again. Now he fought some of my guys. Come go rise the guy. We beat the guy. The next thing, not know that the guy na confront guy.
Hey, Willie.
So this confront guy now come begin finals. So me and my guys now come so okay now so we form my own confront. Now we find like 5 other strong guys. We're like 4 join. Come form our own group. But then
don't be confront like that now.
No, not confront. No, we they meet secretly.
I beg you go see. Now baby confront. What you I don't get go now.
No, we don't get go.
No be na catapult na get.
Yeah, but at the same time they almost expel us. That same period, there was a serious fight between 2 confront Fabraka then. When they shoot at each other, at the point they go on the work again, they come begin use ass. 2 guys died in the process. So by the time I see this film live,
nobody tell you make you
only
denounce.
me tell my guys say, but most
no, they do it before they come arrange you.
For me, why most people they join the confront? Some are peer pressure. Some of them are fear of intimidation. Then some that's okay, I'll get connection. By the time
as tomorrow they turn tomorrow.
But the truth of the matter, none of them work. None of them work time. You know go work.
Okay, you know what time, but one thing when what time now the experience when we see Iwe Okemute done, we go look maybe 2 or 3 of in report card situation. We go look in stand-up acts, one show or the other, just take and arrange them. We not go anywhere. Make we see done report card with the show now. Don't they?
Where have you been, even been in? I bet clear with your West Africa excursion. Go to look follow for foreign. They need a star passport. Pass the border now, idiot. Go to the way go to the go. For how would they go? They stop there. I tell you, I don't old. Who are senior? See, I tell you, as you do so, how many years Bros Obama said?
Okay, my people, we don't come back. You don't get any experience when you say maybe you perform or something that happen. Then you want like what do they call embarrassing moments? You don't get any case like that.
You get one I not going to forget. It happened for me. Unilag, they do their faculty of arts. They do one dinner. For the dinner, By the time they call me, as I dey climb stage, the audience just shout, "Who be this?"
They never know you that time.
They never know me.
Maybe I can't try again now.
Not be say I will not talk. Maybe I not come funny. So
Oh,
I
man.
just complain. On my knees, I just dey complain how I take reach. And I come from far. When I dey come rain beat me, I come borrow money from my friend. That was true. Rain beat me. I come borrow money from my friend. And they come the show. We come enter boutique, come buy new cloth. See right now here they go give me the money. I take pay this guy. All these things they make the audience they laugh. But I don't know say not true.
Now real life in the
So
so.
by the time I stand up, I can say thank you all, at least una laugh. As I come on, they shout.
As we do for here, anybody when come chop knuckle with Chriso, when they go, we go say thank you. Show them say you come chop knuckle with Chriso. Oh yeah, bros. It's not your. You don't get weight too, but.
So now take away.
Now take away, you free. You free.
Can I see what's inside?
Yeah, Papa, you get out now. Are you free?
The package with
The packaging now.
So for me to see what is inside here,
You need to open another box.
Okay. Oh, Sabana Sky. Wow. Look at it.
Therefore, put some on my nose for your name, but it's okay. He fly.
No, bros.
He fly.
Chop knuckle. This is
He
beautiful.
fly.
Man. Thank God, sir, I come. Thank you so much.
They don't know. I'm going to thank you. See,
I'm really
we'll
grateful.
call you.
Thank you.
We'll call you and you show. And everybody when we don't call, we show. With the thank you now. Now make rice, gather body. Now make an full pot.
Sabi.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, person won't be like Ire Okemote Don, or popularly known as the Don. Which advice you get to give them?
I would say be original. Be yourself and make sure you are working hard in that vocation where you don't choose. Anything where you're supposed to learn for that vocation. Not lazy to learn. If you know if you read them, be too don't go through that road. May teach you.
All right, I don't hear the Don. Don, I say thank you very much. I really appreciate you. I hope I don't learn small things from the Don. Make una try, make una do good. Nigeria that we own, and we must do better for them. We don't get another country when we go run to. Don, thank you so you show.
Thank you for
Don't
having
forget
me.
your
No,
chicken.
Me. No, leave her and see your own.
No, wow. You know, even if you say make you just share small for inside.
Akpos. I beg borrow me your account number, ma give one of my customer.
Your own go village.
I get before. I be not ready for bank and the paper wahala.
You never hear of FCMB easy account? Where your phone number without the first zero on your account number. And you fit open a no. To send and to receive money sharp.
Yes, so you sef fit open the new FCMB Easy account instanta with the last 10 digits of your phone number as your account number. Just dial *329# to begin.
Oh, boy. Let me say who get phone number, don't get account number with that.
FCMB, my bank and I.
Okay, we done the roundup. They always pay me when we sign out, when we round up for the day. Especially when we get very interesting guests for the show. But it don't happen with that. We run small. This time we can say thank you to our furniture partners, Live Mates. We say thank you very much as I think accept us and host us. FCMB, when they say people they carry the book, we greet all of them. Mobolaji, when give us Brown's Burger and Grills. Yes, nice TBGs. We thank you. I will chop my chicken later. Clemens, when he arrange clothes for me, and he thank you to all of them when he support all of us. We thank you now. We can continue to do good. Not only one Nigeria we get, and if Nigeria scatter, we say we will remain, we will scatter. People, my name is TB Chris Inhiwa. Until next week, when we'll see again, when we'll bring yet another Ogbonge character for Nigeria. I see I chop my own Brown's Grills. We'll see next week. When I go, thank you very, very much. Bye-bye.
Everybody, hold them tight. Fun time is the happy hour. As we take you on this journey, fun time is the happy hour. It's never been easy. With your favorite celebrity. Everybody, oh yeah, oh. Chop knuckle with Chriso. Original Thunder Show. Yeah. Mama, Papa, make you hear it go. Brother, sister, make you see. see how they go. Comedian for your favorite show. Footballer for your favorite show. Musician for your favorite show. Oh yeah, sit down, make you jolly, make you hear how they go. Chop no cool with Chris, so make you sit down, make you hear how they go. No, no.